In this video, let's discuss about the next parameter which is there in hyperbola, that is eccentricity. Now, if you remember, eccentricity is something which defines the structure of that particular conic section, isn't it? So here also the figure, the formula is the same. The figure is going to change, but the formula is the same. Formula for eccentricity is E is equal to C by A. Now, what is C, what is A and everything? Now, what you have, see, you have x-axis and you have y-axis, and you have one hyperbola which is going to be like this, correct? Now in this one, there are two fixed points, what we call as the foci, f1, f2. The distance, this distance is c, and you also know that the distance from the center to the vertex, this is a. Now what you're seeing here is that c is greater than a, correct? So E value is greater than 1. It's a very important part. Now that you know what is eccentricity, and you know that eccentricity is more than 1 for a hyperbola. Now we have A, B and C. There are three parameters, correct? Now A is what we call as the transverse length. Okay. So when we write it down, we can write that the transverse length is 2A, because one side is A, another side will also be A. Transverse length is 2A. Then the next one is the conjugate length. Conjugate length, this is going to be 2b. Okay, now how do we get this conjugate length? Very simple. So from here we draw this distance. This length is going to be b. So what we get is we get a relation that c square is equal to a square plus b square. Now we make use of this in calculating the value of b, and you can also use it to calculate A or C, whatever it is. But this is the relation what we have between A, B and C. Fair enough? Now, whatever the derivation, more than a derivation, whatever the topics we discussed right now, it's very important, especially the relation between ABC part. Of course, eccentricity is also important. Now, combining all of them together in the next video, we'll understand how do we derive the equation or the standard equation of a hyperbola.